Ever wonder why your social media feed is suddenly packed with trading gurus showing off Ferraris and private jets? It almost feels like everyone's found a shortcut to easy riches, except somehow you're not in on it.
It's wild, isn't it? What most people don't realize is that those flashy lifestyles are almost always funded by selling courses, not actual trading. The truth is, there's a whole industry built around making trading look like the golden ticket, when it's often a trap.
So the jets and mansions are more marketing props than real evidence of trading success? That's such a twist. And I guess for beginners, it's easy to buy into because the dream is so tempting.
Absolutely. And the marketing is carefully designed to prey on that temptation. They cherry-pick screenshots of big wins, or even edit them outright, and never mention the months or years of losses. It's all about selling a fantasy, not reality.
That actually reminds me, I've seen ads spinning this urgent vibe, like limited spots or act now or miss out forever. It feels like they're playing on people's fears and hopes at the same time.
Exactly, and that fear of missing out is a classic trick. They make it feel like if you don't jump in immediately, you'll miss your chance at financial freedom. It's emotional manipulation, and it works because people want to believe there's an easy way out.
I get that. And then, once someone's bought in, they're already kind of invested emotionally and financially. It must make it even harder to see that they might just be being sold, overpriced, recycled information.
Right after the hype dies down, a lot of students realize that what they paid for could have been found online for free. And what's worse, these programs often ignore teaching the real skills or mindset you need to trade responsibly.
Last week, we got stuck on a thread about courses costing thousands, and then found out the so-called mentors push broker links for commissions. That really made me question who these courses are designed to help.
That's a huge red flag. When course creators earn money every time a student trades, especially if it's risky trades, they have zero incentive to teach caution or real strategy. Their profits grow when students trade more, not when they succeed.
So the system's set up so they actually want you to trade more often, even if that means you lose more. That's kind of diabolical. And then, there are those programs that feel more like recruitment drives than actual education.
Some are straight-up pyramid schemes, where the real money comes from signing up new recruits rather than trading. Students get pressured to bring in friends just to make back what they spent, which is a pretty toxic cycle.
Given all this, it's easy to see how people fall for it. What are some dead giveaways that a trading education offer is a scam? Like, what should make your warning bells go off immediately?
Guaranteed profits are the biggest one. If anyone claims you'll win 80% or more of your trades, that's a huge lie. Real traders lose sometimes. End of story. Also, anyone refusing to show a long-term audited track record is hiding something.
And if all you see are luxury cars or testimonials you can't verify, that's another red flag, I'm guessing. Plus, when they want payment in crypto, or you can't find an actual business address, major alarm bells.
You nailed it. Legitimate educators want you to actually learn the skills, not just buy signals or copy trades. If the focus is more on the dream than the discipline and you're being rushed to sign up, it's time to walk away.